Pierce Rogers, Communications 1315. Today I'm going to be talking to you about why you should wear a mask when going outdoors during this pandemic. Masks save lives. During these crazy times, they are as important as they have ever been. Masks, although they are uncomfortable and can be inconvenient, can help save the lives of American citizens. There are several important reasons to wear a mask while you're in public. One reason is that you could infect others without knowing it. Another reason is to slow the spread of the virus as a whole, which could limit horrible consequences to our country and to the world. And finally, the last reason is that it could help protect yourself. So in order to understand why we need a mask in public, let's look at how you could infect others if you do not wear a mask. So you can directly infect another person by coughing or sneezing, which they could inhale the droplets that are produced and it could get into their lungs, in their eyes, in their mouth, which will infect them with the virus. And the CDC said on April 3rd, 2020, that wearing a cloth face mask in a public setting can help reduce the spread of coronavirus. Now, another point is that once you infect another person with the virus, they could go home and infect their whole family and their friends without even knowing it. And they could have, elderly parents living there or young children that could get very sick or even die from this virus. So when people become infected, there are many subsequent consequences that can result from that. One could be as simple as the country stays shut down and small businesses suffer. Another could be, the economy as a whole. And perhaps way more importantly is people can die if the coronavirus continues to spread. According to the World Health Organization, which updated today, June 26, 2020, nearly 500,000 people worldwide have died from this virus. So this is a very real issue. And finally, wearing a mask can protect yourself from this terrible virus. Higher quality masks, such as the N95 mask, which is worn by health professionals, can protect you very effectively from the virus, but those are better used for healthcare workers. Basic cloth masks are what most people should be using, which can offer some protection. And according to Johns Hopkins Medicine, which updated on June 25th, 2020, said that masks as simple as just a cloth mask can protect you from larger droplets produced from a sneeze or a cough. So masks are important to protect yourself. And it's still very important to wear a mask in today's world, because the coronavirus, although it was reducing, as this graph shows, it is now increasing again. So it peaked, it began reducing, people went outside, and now it is becoming more of an issue. So don't think that the coronavirus is lessening or going away, because it is just as prevalent as it was, if not more so. So understanding why masks are important helps to demonstrate why we should wear them in the first place. And it's just a simple and easy way to lessen the toll of the coronavirus, which is a horrible disease that is destroying our world right now. So you should wear a mask because it can infect others, it can lead to more drastic consequences in the world or in our country, and it can protect yourself if you wear a mask. So the next time you're considering putting on that mask or putting it down because it's uncomfortable or you don't like it, it's hard to breathe, you don't think you need it, just wear the mask, because you don't know. You could end up hurting a lot of people's lives if you don't.